Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in Excel column. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here a sheet, but the image column is blank. Now we want to insert the image in this column. Select the column, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the shapes drop down menu and select the rectangle. Then press and hold Alt on our keyboard and draw a shape to this column. Then select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose the shape outline, make no outline. Select the shape fill drop down menu and choose picture. Then select work of line. Now we can see here many image. Now I am select a image to this image. Now I am select this image and click insert. Now we can see we insert picture in Excel column easily. You can resize the column size automatically, resize the image. Now we can see we resize the column and automatically image the resized. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.